I'm here working on my bike that wouldn't start, wouldn't turn over. It'd only turn over without the rings in, without the plugs in. So did some research about sorting the starter motor out, and I don't know if you can see it, but right in there, a video on YouTube said it's the solenoid that usually goes, and you can see, or maybe you can see, right down in there, there's a brass contact, a copper contact. There's the old contact. This is the new one that I've just got to drive that square headed bolt into that. They're sort of like a splined fit. There's the new part, top one being the old bit. You can see it's a little sort of grubby. It doesn't look that bad. That one looks the worst. This kit's made by All Balls Racing. I tried the Harley shop, they'd never heard of it. The one I bought comes with another bracket in case yours is round the other way. It's a bit awkward to do, but I haven't had to take all the case off or anything like that. So maybe it's a quick fix. We'll see if it works. It is awkward with the tank in and all that lot, but worth a try.